Want to get started with digital marketing using AI? Here's how you can leverage AI to boost your marketing efforts. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Understand AI in digital marketing. AI in digital marketing is all about using tools to automate tasks, personalize content, and analyze data. Start by understanding how AI can streamline your marketing efforts by automating things like social media posting, email marketing, and ad targeting. Step 2. Use AI for content creation. AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you generate blog posts, social media captions, and ad copy quickly. These tools use natural language processing to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Step 3. Implement AI-powered analytics. Tools like Google Analytics or HubSpot use AI to analyze customer behavior, helping you understand what works and what doesn't. Use these insights to improve your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Step 4. Leverage AI for personalized marketing. AI allows you to create highly personalized marketing experiences. Platforms like MailChimp and Segment use AI to segment your audience and send personalized emails, improving engagement and conversion rates. Step 5. Automate social media marketing. With AI-powered tools like Hootsuite and Buffer, you can schedule posts, analyze trends, and even respond to customer queries automatically, saving you time and effort while increasing efficiency. That's how you start digital marketing with AI. Use AI tools for content creation, analytics, personalization, and social media management. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.